One screw, one driver type, saves me time, makes me a little more money, saves me some frustration, which is what this video is all about. This is utility closet. I'm in a sump pit, and the last place I want to be with a framing nailer is in a closet. With the Spax multi-material screw that I like using, I can do everything from the bottom plate through to blocking. I'm going to make a plate-to-plate connection here because it's faster, easier, and it's quieter. The Spax screws do drill sort of their own pilot holes and go in very easily. However, on a really acute connection like this, I drill a pilot hole with my super secret countersink. I love this thing. It enables me to get an angle of attack that I want faster and easier, and that's really the point of all this. Typically when I have to do a nailing surface on a basement renovation project, and this is for shiplap cladding that's going to go on here. I need nailing everywhere for that because it's going in diagonally. So I did a backer of OSB here and plywood here, so I just don't have to futz around with where nailing goes. However, this plywood was in the shape of a whatever that is when I got it, when I cut it. So even though I stapled this using my narrow crown stapler, it's great for this, the staples were not sucking it flat. So it's when I back up to my trusty old faithful screw. And I know with a little pressure here, that is going to make the permanent connection I need and draw this flat. Good to go. Boom! That would leave a long black screw in the dust.